Good morning to all. This is Jaspreet Mehta, student of IHM Jaipur, here with you to represent fundamental duties in India. Article 51A. 42nd Amendment Act of 1976 added 10 fundamental duties to the Indian Constitution. 86th Amendment Act 2002 later added 11th fundamental duty to the list. Swan Singh Committee in 1976 recommended fundamental duties, the necessity of which was felt during the internal emergency of 1975 to 1977. Now we will begin with introduction to 11 fundamental duties in India. First, abide by the Indian Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions. The national flag and national anthem. Second, cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspire the national struggle for freedom. Third, uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth, defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth, promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities, and to renounce practices derogative to the dignity of women. Sixth, value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. Seventh, protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. 8th, develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. 9th, safeguard public property and to abjure violence. 10th, strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. Now we will begin with some importance of fundamental duties. First, they remained Indian citizens of their duty towards their society, fellow citizens, and the nation. Second, they warned citizens against anti-national and anti-social activities. Third, they inspire citizens and promote a sense of discipline and commitment among them. Fourth, they help the courts in examining and determining the constitutional validity of a law. Fifth, they are enforced by the law. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much for listening to this information and have a nice day.